Introducing a new 3R service by emotionsupply.com. Our mission is to provide our customers with the advantages of Emotion's knowledge and product service to accept in your equipment. Since 1997, Emotion has sold nearly 30,000 pieces of Delta Town multi-axis controllers, including PMAC, UMAP, PMAC-NC, and accessories. About 300,000 Delta Town controllers are in service. Most of them have been discontinued. As a result, introduced a 3R service to our consumers. What we would do with the 3R service, we would repair the product. You send to us replacement for trade-in or replacement solution to serve as an alternative to the product you brought in. Repair. We will often repair and provide maintenance support to our customers who send us our Delta Cow products. Our engineers in China. Replacement. For PC and accessories that cannot be repaired, we will often recommend customers trade in old cars for new ones. We provide recycling options of old cars as well to replace the refurbished PMAC and their accessories. Replacement solution. For example, to replace one of the PMAC products, we will often recommend Emotion's EMAP 800 for software capability. Our engineers often design alternatives to meet the needs of consumers. 3R service procedure. First, fill out and submit an online form at emotionsupply.com. Send your product to one of our 3R service points, available solution, and we're given a quote. After confirmation, we will provide a service for a solution. Scan the QR code to connect with us on our website and social media